You have been practicing law of attraction, you are practicing your affirmations, but sometimes they really don't work, and sometimes they work, but you're not even aware how they are working, right? I can just relate to you because I had been practicing law of attraction since almost more than 10 years, and only within few years I've realized the actual art and science of affirmations and why my affirmations were not working earlier. So I am very clear with why affirmations do not work, and maybe you also might find some relatable reason in this video which I'm sharing, the top 3 reasons why your affirmations might not be working for you. So the reason number 1 is that you might have not written your affirmation in the proper way. So there are a lot of rules and proper mechanism to write your affirmations. If you have not followed that, the affirmations actually, the written affirmations are not working, right? Because the energy and the tone of that affirmation is not working for you. And there is a whole video that I will be creating for you how to write affirmations by. Second reason is that even if you have written the affirmation in a perfect manner, if you are not feeling that feeling which should come before even saying the affirmation is not will not work. So why I'm saying feeling even before saying the affirmation, so you have to feel first and then the affirmation works. It's not like you say the affirmation and the feeling comes, because that takes a lot amount of time. So you have to do it ulta, like you have to feel it first and then say the affirmation. Now how do you feel it? I will be sharing it in a different video altogether, because all these steps or reasons which I am sharing with you, इनका खुद का एक डिटेल में लंबा वीडियो बनेगा, राइट? आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दीज माइट बी द रीजंस बिकॉज ऑफ विच योर अफर्मेशन माइट नॉट बी वर्किंग. फॉर द रीजंस कैसे वो काम कर सकता है, आई विल बी क्रिएटिंग सेपरेट वीडियोज. नाउ द थर्ड एंड द टॉप मोस्ट रीजन इज दैट you are not repeating your affirmations on a regular basis, and this is the primary and the most important reason which a lot of people fail at doing, including myself. I failed at that lot of times in my life. Why? Because when we keep on repeating affirmations, it starts feeling boring and it looks like, oh, I just don't want to say this. And instead of making me a feeling happy and successful, the affirmations are making me dull, frustrated, and also anxious whether I'll be able to achieve that or not. And in some amount of time, we stop repeating those affirmations. If you are also making this same mistake, type G in the chat window or the comment section wherever you are listening to this. G for guilty. Why? Because we are not practicing affirmations every single day, and these all the mistakes I have made for much amount of time in my life with law of attraction. I don't want you to make the same mistakes. So check which mistake you are making, and you can also type that number in the chat or the comment that yes, you are making this mistake, and how you can overcome all these mistakes. With that, I will be creating separate videos, so check out and wait for those videos. Maybe they are already up while you're watching this video, so you can go and find those on my channel. So thank you for being here and being interested in law of attraction, because your intention creates your reality, and if you have an intention to make your life beautiful, so it is tathastu.